To fix the Prizepicks location error, start by understanding that Prizepicks is a fantasy sports platform that uses geolocation to determine your location and ensure compliance with local laws. If you encounter a location error, it means the platform is having trouble verifying your location. First, ensure you are physically located in a state where Prizepicks is allowed to operate, as some states have laws restricting fantasy sports. Check the Prizepicks website for a list of supported states. Next, check your device settings to ensure location services are enabled for the Prizepicks app. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, select Prizepicks, and enable location. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then Prizepicks, and enable location services. If you are using a VPN, disable it, as it can interfere with Prizepicks' ability to determine your location. Also, ensure your device has a stable internet connection, as a weak signal can cause location errors. Clearing the app cache and data can also resolve the issue. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Storage, select Prizepicks, and clear cache and data. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, select Prizepicks, and delete the app, then reinstall it. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting your device or contacting Prizepicks customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Prizepicks location error and continue using the platform. Remember to always check the Prizepicks website for updates on supported states and any changes to their location verification process.